What if you lose your job or source of income tomorrow? Or what if you are confronted with a health emergency where you need cash but you don't have it? What if it proves to be impossible to get a buyer for your assets quickly enough or at a good price enough to save you? It might not sound like you will ever face these conditions, but what if you do? Most of us never think about these uncertainties and risks, and when we are confronted with them, we fall apart. But you cannot afford to leave this unaddressed. You have to think about every financial risk involved in your life and create a backup plan, effectively managing those risks. However, that's precisely the hardest part, where you feel overwhelmed because you don't know how to begin and get it done. Hello, I'm Manyara Kirago, and I've been a personal financial professional for the last 2 decades. In this video, I will help you see the financial risks involved in your life and explain how you can manage them effectively. By the end of the video, you will have a practical plan for managing risks and having a backup plan in case of uncertainties. If you need help to ensure that you get the best outcome with your finances, I'm available for your support. Please check out my do-it-yourself financial freedom online course, one-on-one financial freedom coaching, and the Eternity Real Estate program from the links in the description below. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and share it with anybody who you think may benefit from it. Also ring the bell icon to be notified each time I post a new video. So let's go. Step 1 is identifying the potential risks. The first step is to identify the risks that you are prone to. Because everyone's life is different, the risks one faces are also unique. However, in most cases, the risks that almost everyone is vulnerable to that can make a huge dent are health risks, financial risks, and income risks. No matter whether you or anyone from your family is already sick or not, you are always prone to health risks. These can add a mandatory expense to your budget that you have to take care of. However, the biggest health risk is any accident that leads to major medical expenses. In the case of career risk, you need to think that at any point you can lose your job or source of income. No matter how reliable your job is, you can be confronted with the shock of job loss where financing your expenses can be the biggest challenge. And in your financial life, you can face investment risks, where your entire investment can be lost. Step number 2 is to assess the risks. After identifying potential risks, the next step is to evaluate their likelihood and potential impact on your life. First, probability plays a pivotal role in this evaluation. You should figure out or estimate how likely it is for these risks to happen, which helps in prioritizing which risks need immediate attention and which can be addressed later. For example, a risk with a high probability of occurring requires more urgent action compared with one with a lower likelihood of happening. Equally important is assessing the severity of the risk. This means gauging the potential impact of the risk and the extent of its consequences if it were to happen. Risks with severe consequences may require more robust mitigation strategies or contingency plans to effectively manage their impact. Then comes the duration of the risk. Some risks may be short-term and fleeting, while others could have lasting effects. Understanding the duration of the risk enables better planning and allocation of resources to effectively mitigate its impact over time. Additionally, you should also evaluate the frequency of the risks. Some risks may occur sporadically or infrequently, while others might be recurrent or ongoing. This helps you strategize whether you should allocate your resources to rare risks or the ones you face frequently. Step number 3 is to prioritize risks. After evaluating the likelihood and potential impact of identified risks, the next step is to make a priority list of these risks. This means putting the most critical risks at the top, followed by risks that are less important. Health risks, such as accidents or serious illnesses, should take precedence in most cases. However, it's possible that you have never faced an accident and that you are not ill. In its place, you are facing job loss risk because you have been told by your boss that your employer is downsizing in the next 6 months. You see, different situations change the priority list of risks. If your job is not at stake, attention should be first paid to health risks. However, if the case is different, you should decide accordingly. In normal cases, on the second level, attention should turn towards minimizing the risk of job loss or income loss. It's because the loss of employment or a substantial reduction in income can deeply impact you and your family, endangering your financial security and your overall quality of life. Then comes the risk of investment loss on the priority list, particularly if it threatens long-term financial stability. Although investment losses may not have immediate consequences like health emergencies or job loss, they can significantly affect your financial future. It's because whatever you saved and invested in the past can vanish. Now, once you have a priority list, you can address each risk one by one. Step number 4 is to develop a risk management plan. In this step, we have to develop a risk management plan for every risk we have traced. But something should be noticed here. We are not only addressing the risks once they have emerged, but are also trying to develop strategies that will prevent them from happening. When it comes to managing health risks, it is essential to take proactive steps that prioritize both well-being and financial stability. This includes adopting a healthy lifestyle by incorporating regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and adequate sleep, which are crucial in preventing illness and decreasing the chance of health emergencies. Additionally, scheduling regular checkups is vital for early detection and management of potential health issues, minimizing their impact. While having health insurance is key for financial management during emergencies, maintaining an emergency fund is equally critical. Immediate access to cash can be essential for covering unexpected medical expenses that insurance claim might not address right away, highlighting the importance of cash liquidity in health emergencies to prevent further complications. For financial risk management, diversification stands out as a crucial strategy to mitigate potential losses. Spreading investments across various assets like bonds, stocks, real estate, and commodities will help spreading risks across different sectors, thus reducing exposure to market fluctuations. However, it's crucial to exercise caution and choose safer investment options that offer stability and growth potential. For example, investing in multi-unit rental properties provides a safety net against vacancies, unlike relying solely on stocks or single-house rental properties. This diversification approach, followed by diversification inside each investment, ensures a steady income flow and acts as a buffer against financial downturns. Then comes career management. It requires a focus on continual personal and professional development. This involves acquiring new skills, staying updated on industry trends, and actively networking with peers and professionals to enhance employability and resilience in the job market. Building a strong professional reputation through dedication, integrity, and effective communication can also create opportunities and mitigate the impact of potential job loss. But that's not enough. Therefore, keeping in view that you can lose your job, you have to create passive income streams such as rental income or income from other investments. They serve as a backup in case of unexpected career setbacks. In addition to this, you should have an emergency fund that should cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This ensures financial stability during periods of unemployment or career transitions, providing a safety net for unforeseen circumstances. However, as I told you before, not all strategies should be implemented at the same time. See the priority list and address each risk one by one. They say a stitch in time saves 9. Don't wait until it's too late. Think about it. Isn't it true that once this gets sorted out, you can focus on financial growth and plan with peace of mind? In the comment section below, share your thoughts or tips on how to manage personal risks effectively. If you want to learn in more detail how you too can generate passive income through real estate investment so that you can finally gain financial freedom, then what you need to do is watch my free training. Click the link in the description below to get immediate access. If you loved this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for practical insights on financial freedom, personal finance, and financial literacy. Thank you for watching.